Hello everyone. If you are learning Java and you are worried about your decision, then you are on the right video because in this video we'll talk about 5 reasons why JavaScript is a must learn language and learning JavaScript would not waste your time. Let's begin. The first reason is web development. When it comes to web development, JavaScript is a preferred choice since 20 years and more than 20 years. And the group of three, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, are considered as the holy trinity, which is kind of known as father, mother, and son. And also, many of the UIs libraries, which is jQuery, Cas, Zepto.js, support JavaScript. Not only they support JavaScript, but they are built with JavaScript. They are built for JavaScript. That's why would you not choose a language which has so many good UI libraries? That's why, in short, JavaScript is very popular with web development, and we have no better option than JavaScript in terms of web development industry. The second reason is it's highly flexible. Why would I say that? Because there are a lot of tech stacks available, such as Mern Stack, Mean Stack, and Maven Stack. Why they are very important? Because they offer complete development from front end, which is UI, UX, etc., to backend, which is handling requests, APIs, etc. So you don't have to learn or know any other language apart from JavaScript to make a complete application, complete enterprise level application. So that's the major advantage JavaScript offers. It has everything for web development. Third reason is frameworks. Not only it is very famous and very resourceful in terms of web development, it has expanded its domain because of its amazing frameworks, which include for mobile, for web application, we have React and Ionic, giving its power to the web application industry, development industry. And when it comes to data visualization, also it is very resourceful with frameworks like D3.js, Chart.js, Raphael.js, and Leaflet. Even in robotics and Internet of Things development, Johnnyfy offers great control, and it supports Arduino and Raspberry Pi and other major robotics OS. Also, in game development, JavaScript is very solid with its lot of frameworks. Some of them are Phaser, Melon.js, Pixie.js, etc. And again, mobile, we have NativeScript, jQuery, mobile, and lots of other frameworks. Because of this, JavaScript has been a complete language, as discussed in the JavaScript Power video. Do check out. The fourth reason is its community. Very big tech giants like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Alibaba have always been supportive to this language and provided lots of frameworks to this language. One of the major frameworks contributed by Facebook is React, and from Google it's Angular. In Facebook, every application of Facebook's UI is built with React. Also, every application of Google UI is built with Angular. So you can say not only these companies have greater influence on consumer market, but also in the development industry, since they are provided libraries and frameworks are used by other developers as well. Not only the support of big tech giants, but some support of small developers have also been constantly there for JavaScript. As you can see by the Stack Overflow data, since 2010 there has been no competition with any other language, and this is the data of Stack Overflow, which means it is calculated among the questions posted and questions answered category. So there's lots of happening with this language. There are lots of people helping out each other and a lot of people asking doubts regarding this language. Also, according to GitHub 2020 October's report, it is been on top, and from 2014 it has been on top, and JavaScript is also the most used language for open source contributions. That's why very easy to find JavaScript projects online, developers online. That's why this community is very big. The fifth reason is JavaScript is very simple. Why would I say that? Because JavaScript is considered good for new programmers. Why? Because it has good abstraction. That means initially you don't have to know exactly how the computer's hardware is working to learn coding. Initially you just have to learn how things are working on your side, which is how you can change stuff. And second reason is it's very natural, as if it's like talking to a fellow programmer. It is very easy. The keywords are very natural. It's very easy to code in the JavaScript language. That's why it's very easy to learn as well. Third reason is it's very easy to set up. You don't have to install any compiler or interpreter. It is like executed in the browser. That's why it's very easy to set up and start with coding. It also has large community. Basically, why this point is very important for new programmers is, if you are stuck at a particular concept and you are not getting any resource to solve your doubt, that's a very bad situation. That's why. But if you are using JavaScript, then that will not be a situation, because as discussed in the previous point, it has a lot of community, which means it has a lot of programmers online which are ready to help, and also there are lots of resources online where you can learn from free. And the fifth reason is, it is as Java syntax is influenced by Java, C, C++, it is very easy to switch to those languages from JavaScript. Not only these languages, but any language, once you get the fundamentals of programming ready with the JavaScript language. So with that point, we come to the summary, which is, these are the 5 reasons why you should learn JavaScript and it would not waste your valuable time. Quickly going through the points: web development, it has been considered the most famous and most useful, resourceful language in terms of web, and expanding its high flexibility is because of all the stacks that are available, contributed by various multinational companies as well, and also fellow developers. And coming to third point, which is frameworks, as discussed, it has a lot of frameworks that expand its domain of development industry. No matter which type of development you want to do, there will be a JavaScript framework ready for you, and JavaScript will always be one of the preferred language, no matter which domain of development you choose. And fourth is its community. Yeah, that is very large and it's very easy to access community. Fifth is, it's very simple language to code, to learn. It's easy to switch with JavaScript. That was it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing. Stay subscribed for more amazing content coming up. And finally, thank you for watching. We will catch you up in the next video.